Hey, 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 Caddyman back again. This time we're taking a step back into nostalgia. Yep, we're going back to the 1950s and 60s. We're going to do a recipe on the old-fashioned egg salad. I know people close to my age had egg salad during the summer for sandwiches all the time, especially lunch. This is a recipe from my mom that Angie has tweaked. They used to have little competitions or arguments about cooking, and so we kind of combined both of theirs into this one, and I think you're really going to love it, and it's near and dear to my heart. You start out with 4 smashed eggs, boiled eggs, as you can see I've already done that. 2 stalks of celery chopped up, and you know how I like to chop, 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 except actually Angie did this one. Okay. Then I have 1/4 of a cup of onions. Yum, yum. Onions. And then 2 tablespoons of capers. Don't forget these are very salty. That's something that probably a lot of people don't cook with, but we certainly do. 2 heaping teaspoons of dill relish. And dill relish is hard to find, but gosh, does it make a difference. Do the dill, not the sweet. 2 heaping teaspoons of olive oil. Mayo! You know how I love mayo. Gosh, there's one of my favorite things right there, is mayo. And then to top it off, 2 teaspoons of dried dill. Gosh, how can you not have dried dill in something? And we actually grow our own herbs. There's real dill, fresh dill. So now all I'm going to do is stir this up, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's now ready to go. You can cool it off, make it cold. It's easy, it's great, and the best thing is you have to add a little I love money to top it off. I love money, and that's the cut. That's for the acidity of it. And then the last thing, of course, love, love, love. No meal is finished without adding love. Then you can actually put your salt and pepper on to taste. Please try this one. It'll help remember your mother, your aunt, somebody you spent lunchtime with back in the day when we were all babysat by our relatives. It's a big day. Try it. You'll like it. Take a step back into history. See you soon. Bye now.